All right, next item we have Amazon. The TC30 USB condenser microphone, 2-year warranty. I can go ahead and add the link in the description box. Let's go ahead and take a look. Have a website, support, email, plug and play, clear sound, and cardioid pattern. It went flying. All right, let's take a look. Came with a pretty thick instruction manual. And then a 2-year warranty card. USB card or cord, let's see. And it looks like that is everything. So let's put the box over there to the side. And once we get our desk set up, this is what we're going to go ahead and use whenever we start our podcasts. That way I can screen share with you guys, show you all the steps of starting an LLC, or what steps that you can find to put you in the right path for if you decide you want to incorporate or decide you want to be a sole proprietor. You have options. We're going to go ahead and just plug the back of this in. And there we have it. It's as easy as that. And this is just going to sit on top of the desk once we get the desk set up. All right, let's see. Another thing that I purchased from Amazon was a T-square. Nice middle quality one. We have a store here that is like if Home Depot and Lowe's had a baby with Super Walmart and Super Target. It's called Menards. So let's see. I went and got a temp gun. And just in case I needed them, some gloves, which I don't think I will need, but I also found some white masks. So I'm going to see if maybe I can try pressing those as well. Let's see. I went to the fabric store and just bought some t-shirt material. You probably can't see it because the lighting in this room sucks, but that will be getting an upgrade soon. So just to start some pressing and get some practice in, I did go ahead and get some scrap, just a yard of each fabric. All right, let's start opening some more boxes. Amazon. Can I just say, well, these boxes I love. Can't go wrong with 90s nostalgia. All right, let's see what we have in this one. We have our t-shirt folder, just so that way whenever I am making shirts, I can make sure everything is under promised and over delivered with our customers. You want return customers, so you want to make sure that they get quality every step of the way. And that's what a lot of this is we're going to go through tons of different shirts, tons of different sweatshirts. We're going to find out what's the best fitting one, what's the best one to press, what's the softest one, which ones our customers give the best feedback on. So stay tuned.